Welcome to the OneStream version update showcase. Introducing our stable release version 2.1.4 Changelog. Backward compatibility for the group's user access settings. Now, admins can grant panel access restricted to the user's own subscriptions. Added more TMDB-related info to content/VOD. Within the endpoint, we've added 4 fields: backdrop, plot, cast, and duration from TMDB, now included in all movie responses. Providers better error handling. We've added a new option for a clearer, simpler view of the most recent error during provider processing. Automating handling for FPM max_children reached. We optimized the back-end process for FPM max_children for when the limit is reached. DNS Rotator improved handling when plugin installed. There are new buttons that allow you to disable, delete, or jump directly into the DNS Rotator plugin for streamlined server management. Added import multiple streams with M3U in job. We've added a new option, which is importing streams with an M3U file directly from the Manage Streams section. Added setting to stop the export of disabled content. We added a new option. Now you can toggle whether disabled content is included or excluded during M3U file exports. Changed source to be required on add movie/episode. New must-have field when adding a VOD. To ensure valid configurations, the source path is now a required field for creating movies or episodes. Setting properly next_reset_at when changing locks manually. The line locking issues are resolved, ensuring locks now automatically reset according to your specified timeout values. Setting proper file format for movies imported from file. Movies can now be imported via CSV, with file extensions automatically fetched and set. Added process after create for streams. You can now toggle automatic stream processing and start up directly within the creation menus. Added stop/start log for a server. You can now manage server logs directly with new start and stop controls in the management section. Added rename option source to mass edit episodes. You can now use source file names as a renaming pattern, independently or combined with other options. Watch folder. Watch folder M3U auto delete series. Deletions from the M3U source linked to series in a watch folder are now synced and removed from the panel. Watch folder added new title format. We've added a new file name option in the movie's title format. When enabled, the video file name becomes the movie title, and TMDB data is matched accordingly. Added bulk delete to failed files list in watch folder. You can now bulk delete failed files, and if needed, you can reprocess them. Added scheduling settings for watch folder. Admins can now set a custom watch folder processing interval of 1 minute or greater. Added option to add manually from the failed files list in watch folder. Admins can now manually trigger movie or episode processing directly from the watch folder's failed files section. Improved mass edit movies with React and background job. Mass Edit Movies is now been migrated to React.js for enhanced page performance. UI improvements. The panel update interface is now streamlined with clearer prompts, a postpone option, and additional UI improvements. Bug fixes. Fixed bouquets dual list sometimes missing data. Fixes to audit log. Fixed old line issue with edit mag. Fixed change server status modal position. Fixed issue with wrong inputs for linked providers on stream edit. Fixed min/max speed issue on mass edit streams. Fixed TMDB search later removing decimal point in duration. Fixed last_episode_added_at not updated when importing series from M3U. Fixed watch folder save button sometimes not clickable. Fixed EPG_ID and channel_ID sometimes not set properly from off-match EPG. Fixed naming issue on import multi-episode. Fixed edit bouquet page sometimes not loading. Fixed edit server status in edit stream on mobile. Fixed fields for file export for subscriptions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more related videos.